Goodbye, Xbox.
Go throw over the fence.
Yeah. Oh! Oh my god. Eesh, oh my. Where this part came out.
It might turn on now.
It's like, you should turn on, like,
I'm upstairs. Hey.
Landscaping?
Everything
but that.
Call of Duty.
Ready? You want to open the tray?
Oh, that's the worst.
The worst. That is the worst.
Hey, Nick.
Ready?
Yes.
Everybody watch your hand. Watch, cover your eyes.
Oh, I didn't even do it right there. Let me do it close up too.
Okay, let me do one too.
You gotta throw it.
Hey, wait.
Hey, we wanna play
Fuck
too.
you.
Yeah, we want to play too. Damn. Oh, God. Eesh. Fuck. Huh? This gun readable?
Fuck it up. Again. Again. Yes.
Oh.
Now let's see if it works.
Oh, what is this? It was like a beige one. Get that part out. Oh!
God. I love hammers.
Yeah, we're gonna clean it all up now.
Oh, that's the worst. Anything of that.
Whoever doesn't have the hammer, cleans it up.
Hey, I'm gonna do that hammer.
Last one, let's go.
No!
Dick.
Oh, there you need.
No, Dick. Whose Xbox is it?
Yeah,
fuck you.
okay.
No,
No,
Ow.
who messed it up more?
You.
Okay. Wait. I see like something inside of it. You see that? Oh, I thought it was. Oh.
Let me take this out.
It's sharp. Watch out.
How does something like out of this type of, this junk make it so much fun?
Yeah. Like a dashboard, all that
Yeah.
stuff, like in games.
Online and everything.
Like, where's the disc tray thing? I want to know where it is.
Right here.
I want to see it.
See it?
Yeah.
Looks like a Super Nintendo. Ooh, that's the worst. Yeah, let me see you get gloves.
You can fuck it up right here.
Huh?
That's a disc tray.